Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable and use the Smart Sidebar on the OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro. So to enable the Smart Sidebar, we need to find the little gray icon on the right of our screen. It's usually on the right or the top right of the screen. And what we're going to do is either tap on it or slide it to the middle of the screen, like that. And it's going to guide us through the setup tutorial. And if you press Get Started, it's going to open up this little section right here. This is the Smart Sidebar. And what it usually does is it just gives you easier access to some of the apps that you use the most. So maybe you want to take a screenshot right from the Smart Sidebar, or even start screen recording, or you can just edit it for yourself. So you can change what apps you want to be displayed in the Smart Sidebar. For example, let's do the camera by tapping the plus icon, and let's also add Gmail. And if you press done, it's going to add both of these apps. As you can see, we have camera and Gmail. So this is how you use the Smart Bar, and it's pretty much accessible from most of the apps, mostly from the apps that are in vertical mode. So if you go to, for example, the TikTok app, and we can just slide, and it's going to open up the sidebar, and we can press and to immediately add an app. Or what we can do is add another app like this, and it's going to open it up as a window. Some of the apps are not supported in this mode, and some of the apps are. So as you can see, I have a flowing window right here, and I can do some multitasking. And that is pretty much it. This is how you use the Smart Sidebar. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.